Hi there. Thank you for registering on our platform. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to start online business. And it's very easy to use. You're going to enjoy every single step that we're going to take. We're going to show you step by step on how to start your online business. Even if you don't have any knowledge at all, don't worry. You can go ahead and register on the platform and you'll get everything you need to know about how to start online business. At the end of this class, you'll be able to set up your own website. You'll be able to develop a complete website, even if you don't have any knowledge regarding web application or website development. We are not going to write any single line of code. Everything will be done using WordPress and many more. You'll be able to create a blog and monetize your blog, and we show you how to monetize your idea with giant companies like Google and Facebook. And we're going to show you how to start your affiliate marketing business. That is, you promote other products probably on your website or on your social media platform, and you get up to 50% revenue in return. All of this we're going to show you and show you step by step on how to go about it. Not only that, if you decide to extend further, maybe you want to move to another module in this training, we teach you how to create a complete e-commerce platform just like Jumia or Konga or Amazon. It's relatively cheap, very easy. It's just about you coming up with a better idea of how you want it to be. With all our concepts, you don't need to write a single line of code. Everything is drag and drop, and it's very easy to use. Not only that, we create a mobile app for you, or you can create mobile apps that you monetize on Google Play Store or Apple Store, which is very easy to use. Like I said earlier, you don't need a single line of code to get that done. We're going to show you step by step on how to do every single thing as far as this thing is concerned. And apart from that, you start your digital products and services. For instance, if you have a product, one thing about software development or digital skills is that you can digitize anything, any ideas can be digitized. So we're going to show you how to digitize your idea. For instance, maybe you are a barber or anything you can think of. We assign a mentor that will teach you on how to go about it, steps to take, and many more. You're going to create your own. If you really want to create, maybe you are a teacher or you know how to train and you want to create your own training online. We'll take you through the steps, one step by step, and then you will know how to go about it. It's relatively cheap and very straightforward. You can make money on the platform per second. Let's say, for instance, you have YouTube channel. You should be able to make on the average per 1,000 views. You should be able to make like $5 to $10 per view per 1,000 views. Not only that, everybody is online now. Therefore, I believe you are on your social, you belong to one, you have an account in one of these social media platforms, maybe Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. We're going to show you how to start your social media for business. You learn how to start your business online, social media. Even if you don't have a website, this will cater for that. Then if you decide to choose ebook business, maybe if ebook, you want to publish your ebook on a particular topic, we got you covered. You can easily do that using software that will help you create ebooks. We're going to teach you how to do all of these things in our upcoming videos. Then the fundamental of graphic design. We show you how to use Canva to design complex websites, like complex design, just like this one and many more. Maybe you want to create a flyer and many other things. We're going to show you how that. Apart from that, maybe you want to start the fundamental of digital marketing. You want to create a career path in digital marketing. Excellent. And you want that to be done. We're going to show you how to go about it step by step. No jump start. Everything will be like step by step, step one up to the final step. and it's very easy to use. And I believe even if you don't have anything, as long as you can communicate in English language, you should be able to replicate what we're about to show you. And we're going to show you several business logic that you need to know. For instance, you don't just monetize your website, you need to know about their policy, how to partner with Facebook, policy that you must follow adhere to so that you won't get your account banned. We're going to show you every of these things in our upcoming videos. So in the next video, we'll continue with the practical steps in building online business. We're going to start our online business step by step. Thank you and God bless.